Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis and price prediction of PancakeSwap cake token, and I will tell you my next medium duration, long duration and immediate short term target for this token. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation, because in this video I will tell you my immediate short term target for this token too. And if you want to join my Telegram VIP Signal channel, in that case contact me on my Telegram, link is in this video's description. And let's get into the chart and other things. Let me please show you some information, and after that I will show you my chart and my targets. Currently PancakeSwap is at $27.89 and price decreases 10.68% in just 24 hours because of market crash. Market cap of cake token is $4.8 billion, which is good. Circulating supply of cake token is 172 million. 24-hour trading volume of cake token is $645 million, which is very good. It is available on Binance Exchange, PancakeSwap, DigiFinex, KuCoin, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to join this token and if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, in that case, please go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get the pin message, and this is the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds of your life. Current rank of PancakeSwap is 40, and let me please show you some chart of this token. And currently the price of this token is at $27.89, and I think it have to move towards upside, but when and why and what are the targets, I am ready to tell you these targets. Let me please show you the technical analysis of PancakeSwap on Token Metrics. Let me please show you. Awesome Accelerator is bullish. Commodity channel index CCI is neutral. Moving average convergence divergence MACD is bearish. Force index is very bullish. Relative strength index RSI indicator is neutral. Satoshi indicator is very bearish. WR is neutral and ROC is bearish. Only three bearish signs and three neutrals and two bullish signs. And let me please show you my chart and my target of this token. Sorry for that. This is the cake USDT pair for our Binance chart, and currently cake is at $27.26, and after hitting this support zone, which is at $24, cake pull back and it is now at $27.2. There are two major support for this token are at $27 and $24, and these are two major support zones. Let me please change this. The main thing is that cake token break this ascending broadening wedge towards downside, which is not a good sign. Let me please show you what will be the target in that case. Let me please show you. The target is approximately $20, I think so, and maybe it have to hit $19 or maybe $20. This is first target, but according to the technical analysis, the target will be this, the beginning of this ascending broadening wedge, and it is at $15. What are my thoughts? I think so maybe it can go down to hit $19 or $20. Maybe if it loses this support, which is at $24, in that case maybe it have to hit $20 again. It have to hit $20, and after that maybe it have to move towards upside. Currently I think so this is the scenario. These are strong buy zones: $24, $27, $35 is a strong selling zone, $44 is strong selling zone, and currently it is struggling to hold $27. If it holds this and move towards the upside, in that case our target will be, first target will be $30 and second target will be $35. But if it lose this $27, in that case $24 will be our first target and $19 will be our second target. Let me please show you some indicators, and after that I will show you my medium duration and long duration target for this token. EMA ribbon is at $29, which is not a good sign because it is now turning as a resistance for uptrend. And let me please show you the volume. Volume is a satisfactory and good towers of volume. And let me please show you the VPVR volume. And here you can see this is a good sign, and this is very, very hard. This is a strong tower, and strong buy zone is at $16 to $18. And if PancakeSwap lose this, in that case maybe it can go down. But I think this is a good spot, and I think it have to move to hit this zone, and after that it have to move towards the upside. But I think my target is $20, maybe $20 after hitting $20 or $19.5 or $19. It have to move towards the upside. If it move towards the upside and hold this zone, which is at $27, in that case our first target will be $31 and second target will be $35. If it move towards downside and break this $27 support zone, in that case our first target will be $24 and our second target will be $19. You can say $20 or $19. These are two targets. And according to the technical pattern, the beginning of this ascending boarding wedge is the target, but I don't think so. I think so. The hype is this token has huge hype, and I am very bullish on this token, and I think it have to move towards the upside and hit my targets. Let me please show you how much this token gained in 2021. Let me please show you. This token gives 356% in just 2 months, I think so, 2 or 3 months, and that is a good sign because on its launching date on Binance, it was 19 February. It is just 2 months ago, and now it is at $27, and it hit 300. It gives 350% profit to its holders. But I still think that this is very undervalued token, and I think price should have more than, I think so, $100 or maybe $200 in this bull run. Let me please show you the target according to this fib retracement tool. According to the fib retracement tool, the target will be $110, but I don't think so. I think so it have to move towards upside and have to hit $150 or maybe $200. And in this bull run, this can happen in this bull run because this is very, very. If you buy this token at that point, in that case. According to the fib retracement tool, you will get 3x if it hit $110, but I think $200 is very realistic target, maybe $150 and maybe $200 is the very realistic target for the PancakeSwap cake token. And let me please show you the RSI. Currently RSI is at 40 and it have to cross 50. Once it cross 50, in that case definitely price of the PancakeSwap will go up, and if it goes below 30, in that case price of the PancakeSwap cake token will go down. And what are your thoughts? Please comment section is open for you, and comment the favorite tokens, and if you want any coins technical analysis, then please let me know, and please show me the coin name, and I will definitely make video on these coins which you are going to comment in the comment section. Thanks for the watching, and please always keep supporting me. Take care.